Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are the advantages of TestNG framework. So this is one of the frequently asked interview questions for Selenium automation testers. First, let me define what is TestNG. TestNG is a testing framework. The full form is Test Next Generation. So which is used to write unit level test cases as well as integration level test cases. So it is dedicated to design for Java level unit test case. That means you can use this test case only for Java developers, but not .NET developers or other PHP developers. For .NET developers, there is a N unit test framework is there. For PHP developers, there is a PHP unit testing framework is there. So this is specially designed for only for Java developers. Okay, so this TestNG framework you can also use to write functional test cases in Selenium. So how it is available? It is available in the form of jar file. So you need to download this jar file and you have to add this jar file in Eclipse. Okay, so then what are the advantages of TestNG? The first advantage is it provides the parallel execution of test methods. That means there are 1000 test methods are there. If you want to execute those 1000 test methods on different browsers, suppose there is a Chrome browser, Internet Explorer, and Mozilla Firefox browser. If this feature is not there, you have to execute the 1000 test methods on each browser. So it is taking more time. So to reduce the time, this feature is very important in TestNG. So at the same time, 1000 test methods will execute on different browsers. So that is the reason we can reduce the execution of time. So this is one of the best features. The next one is it allows to define dependency of one test method over other method. This means you can allows the dependence of the test method. That means suppose there is a home page is there, login page is there, and contact page is there, and search page is there. Home page is dependency on login. Login page is dependency on search page. If home page is not executed properly, then login page should not execute. If home page is successfully executed, then only login page will execute. That means these test methods will dependent on each other. Okay, so that feature also is there in TestNG. The next one, it allows to assign priority to test methods. So by using priority attribute, we can priority the test method. Okay, like here test annotation give priority equal 1. Like this, we can give priority for test methods based on your requirement. The next one, it allows grouping of test methods into test groups. That means we can execute a group of test methods with single name. Like there is a login test method is there. In that login test method, there are 10 test cases are there, and some search method is there. In that search method, there are 10 test cases are there. So those 10 test cases features, we can group them by using groups method, like at the rate test using groups. Sorry, groups equal to, you have to provide here login. So the in the under the login test case, there are 10 test methods or 10 features are there. We have to execute within the single name those 10 test methods. Okay. Next one, it has support for parameterizing test cases using at the rate parameter annotations. It is one of the most important features in TestNG framework. Okay. The next one, it allows data-driven testing. It is most important annotation, important feature in TestNG. Okay, because this feature is useful to fetch the data from Excel files or some other data source. Okay, by using which annotation? By using data provider annotations, we can fetch that. We can implement the data driven testing in TestNG. This is one of the most important features. Why you are using data driven testing? To fetch the data from data source. Example, Apache POI. The next feature is it provides detailed HTML report. So TestNG is one of the best feature is there to generate the reports, HTML reports. The next one is it has different assertions that helps in checking the expected and actual results. So TestNG provides different assertions by using asset class, asset to asset equals, like there's so many assertions, annotations are there. By using them, we can validate the conditions, expected and actual results. So these are the main advantages of TestNG framework. I hope you understand my video. So thank you for watching.